ato gigamit this time. So nasabtan ra ang difference, no? So ato sa tan-awon kung giunsa siya paggamit, no? So let's move on. So alin na sa verb. Kasi itong verb na tinugutan na ganiya. So itong verb, action word. Oh, so instruct, speak, cook, run. Oh, pero apel ko sa verb kaning is, am, been, was, have. Oh, apel ko na sila, no, for verb. They are what we call linking verb na. Are there to act as links to add description to a noun. Kana. He is from Camotes. Oh, so ang is a verb. Oh, ang is nagpakita din ng action. Di ba? Wala. Pero part siya sa linking, nag-link, nagsumpay. No? So other than that, ang very obvious pa sa nagpakita o action, automatic siya. It's a verb. Okay. So imperative verbs. Okay, let's read.
Silence.
Uy, class, mag-practice na no? Na may exclamation point. Oh, silence!
Silence.
Silence. Shut the door. Shut the door. Diba? So, hatagan na ito kinabuhi kung magbasa ta.
Silence.
Sit down. Nanubo man ka, that's imperative. Steer the rice, light the fire. So, imperative verbs can be orders or commands. O, kanang bossy kayo ba? No? So, So, let's move on. Okay, so usually imperative verbs kanang mag-follow o recipe. Fill a pan with cold. Kasi hindi luto-luto na rin. Fill a pan with cold water. Number 2, bring the water to the boil. Stir fry. Ito na lang ipaspasan. Okay. Let's skip this part. Ano na sa adverb? Okay, let's try to read adverb. Hey, everyone read.
An adverb can tell us how something is done, place, cause, degree. An adverb can answer questions such as how, when, where, or how much.
Okay, so ang pinaka-obvious na dali mailhan na adverb kay na siya ay ly. So, let's read the examples.
Slowly.
Let's right side. Slowly.
Slowly.
Gently, happily, noisily, lately, occasionally. Okay, so utubag siya sa question na how. So, let's say, giunsa niya pagputang? Gently. Giunsa niya pagdagan? Slowly. No? So, how? So, utubag siya. No? So, kani, group na sa tang activity, no? Sige kani, giubay-ubay man ni 1 to 7. Sige, so you work within your group, same mechanics, same instruction.